Hi, I'm here in Boca Raton, Mr. Indra, and we remodeled the whole bedroom for her. We did the whole floor, and now we're doing the bedroom. I got porcelain 12 by 24, Directo 5. That's a beautiful porcelain. It's like between, the color is between beige and blue. It's very nice. And I have the box here. If you like the tie, and if you wanna buy the same tie, you have the box right here. It's terracotta recto 5 tie, 12 by 24. And now I'm gonna show you a little bit how we're gonna install the tile on the wall. And here I got a tile. I got the arrow right here. We gotta put everything to the same way to make sure it's gonna be everything flat, everything good. Here I have the thin set right here, and we're gonna do the thin set right here. I got trowel right here, 1/4 trowel. You gotta do like this to make sure you have thin set all of the tile.
And Giselle, why 1/4 trowel? Why not like a different width? Why this?
Because you have a tile 12 by 24, and if you go with like a small trowel, they're not gonna support the tile, because you got 12 by 24. It is heavy tile. It's not like a small tile. So you gotta go with a big one.
With the big, the one that's, how much is that? Half?
It is half inch.
Half inch. Spacing.
So now
the heavier. So people learn a little bit more about tile installation. The wider the trowel, the heavier the tile that you put on the wall. Is that it?
Yes.
Okay, so now
you got the wall right here. You see, it's thin set all of the tile. Gotta do right here, because you gotta.
And then you push it.
Yep, to make sure it is everything.
How do you know it's in level with the?
I got a level right here. You gotta check everything out if it's level or not, to make sure you're gonna have. You see right here, it's 100% level.
100%.
Yeah, and right here is 100% level too. And
so now it's flat. So if I go with the hand like this,
if you
there's
go
no
with your
bumps.
hand, you're not gonna see anything right here,
any
because
bumps.
I found the arrow. And now we got the space right here, 1/16.
1/16.
Yeah. Very thick grout line.
Very thin. Yeah, I can see.
Got it right here. You see? All beautiful, all nice. The line is clean. Now I'm gonna do the cut right here.
You're gonna do a cut for.
Yeah, I already have one cut right here.
That you made it. Okay.
Yeah.
It's just make sure it's.
Make sure it's a good side. It's good to here. I'm gonna do the same thing. The arrow is the same way. You can see the arrow right here. Is everything to the same way.
Same direction, same way.
Yep.
So you apply the thin set.
Yep.
And you that you're seeing this video, you keep wondering how much thin set to put in there. So Giselle, you know the correct amount, because you've been doing this for how many years?
I'm doing this for 5 years, and some people don't put thin set all of the tile, and that's not good. You gotta go with the thin set all of the tile to make sure you're gonna have a thin set.
So sorry to interrupt you. You apply the thin set, and then you just use the trowel, and then you just made those 3 things in there. Why did you do that? So people learn. It's your special technique.
Because when I do this, I got a little bit more than the trowel. So when I put in the wall, I can push the tile and make sure they're gonna have thin set all over the tile.
Got it.
You see right here?
It's a special technique.
Yep.
That's good. And then you press.
Yep, to make sure everything level.
Very nice. And it's just the above tile is following the same line as the tile below, correct?
Yes.
And nice.
Now I have the level right here. You see, I don't know. You see right here is everything level.
And the same there.
Yep, the 100% level right here.
Double check,
Yes.
triple check.
And now we're just gonna do the cut right here.
The cut for that one. So okay,
Yes.
let's proceed with the cut. So you go there. So you use a pencil, make it a mark, and then
I gotta do with the tie to make sure I'm not gonna do wrong.
okay, that's nice. Make the mark with the pencil.
Yeah.
One there, on the other side.
Now I have my straight machine right here.
I'm just gonna make the cut. Beautiful, nice.
Now
Have the piece, measure,
I
cut.
have the cut right here. I gotta make sure it's good
Yeah, right there.
before I do the thin set. You
Everything's
see?
perfect.
Yep.
With the correct spacing for the 1 inch
1/16.
spacer. 1/16, sorry.
Yeah. Now we're gonna do the thin set right here.
Nice. And you know the precise amount just the first time, right? 5 years of experience doing this, doing bathroom remodeling. Nice, apply, clean. And then you do a special technique
Yes.
to have a little bit of excess, so when you press it against the wall, it goes and we have enough
Thin set.
to stick. Go there, remove the excess from the sides, push it, make good push, just to make sure it's flat with the rounding porcelain tile. Remove the excess that comes out. Beautiful, nice. And you also applied level on this one, or?
Now this is our level because this one is level.
This
and
one is
this
level?
one is level, so this one have to be level when you put flat with this one.
Flat one.
and
So
flat
use
with this one.
your hand. If there's no bump,
No
it
bump.
means it's level. You
Yes.
align with the
Now
other
I'm
one.
doing the space again to make sure the line is gonna be all the same size. 1/16.
1/16. Beautiful. There we go.
Now I'm gonna do the space right this.
Right there. Nice. So again, this is Ace's Tile of Florida. I'm here with the owner, Mr. Giselle, and it's one more demonstration. We hope to see you more inside our website, in our channel. And Mr. Giselle would like to invite you to call him for a free estimate.
Yeah, it is free estimate. We work Monday to Saturday. If you wanna contact us, it is 561-756-4910. We're gonna keep showing you guys step by step. Now, right here is half wall. You already saw the video when you change the wall. Now we're gonna show you guys the next step when we finish with the grout and everything. Thank you very much.
Thank you.